How to update HBO Max on Firestick. I'm going to tell you how to update HBO Max on your Firestick. Updating is simple and only takes a minute. From your Firestick home screen, go to the top menu and select Settings. Then scroll to Applications and choose Manage Installed Applications. Find HBO Max in the list, click it, and check if there's an update option. If you see it, just press update and the app will refresh to the latest version. Another quick way is to go back to the home screen, open the App Store, search for HBO Max, and if an update is available, you'll see the button that says update instead of open. Select it, and Firestick will install the new version right away. Once it's done, open HBO Max, and you'll be on the latest build with all the newest features and fixes. That's how you update HBO Max on Firestick.